Hey everyone, Chey Loraine here, and today I'm talking about content. As you have heard me say many times before, content is king. Regardless of what you're doing, video, blog, social media posts, email blasts, whatever, it doesn't matter. It all comes down to one thing, content. So today we're going to be talking about where to get content ideas. As a corporate marketing director, I have produced more than 700 videos for top producing mortgage loan officer Kelly Zitlow. And people are always asking me, Chey, how do you come up with topics for that many videos? So today I am giving you the exclusive tips on where to get content ideas for your videos. One of the easiest ways to get topics for your videos is frequently asked questions from your clients, your partners, or your sphere. Is there a question that everyone is asking you like all the time? For example, where do you get video content ideas? Well, make a video about it and keep a running list of these questions so that the next time you're ready to shoot, you'll already have a list of ideas. Number 2, is there a product or a service that you absolutely love and you want to make a video about it? It would probably make a pretty good video if you feel passionately about something and you want to get the word out. Be sure to focus on the features that make this product or service something special and something people must know about. Number 3, and this is a good one, what are people searching for on YouTube and Google? An easy way to do this is to start typing the beginning of a phrase in Google or YouTube and see what pre-populates. These are a list of things that people are already searching for. And then I recommend clicking one of those phrases and checking out other videos on that topic. Which brings me to number 4. What are other people making videos about? Take a look at a successful channel in your niche and see what they're making videos about. Now, you don't want to copy their content directly, but you can make your own video in your own words about topics that other channels are also doing. Number 5, one of the things I use the most is TUBEBUDDY. And I use the TUBEBUDDY Keyword Explorer to help me decide what to make my videos on. This is going to give you phrasing ideas and it's going to score your topics to help give you an idea if this is a good video to make. You're shooting for a score of 100 over 100 or as close to that number as possible. It's going to rank your phrase based on the search volume as well as the competition. I use TUBEBUDDY a lot. In fact, no matter what content method I'm actually using to get ideas, I'll still run it through the TUBEBUDDY Explorer and make sure I'm titling my videos with phrases that score the highest. And guess what? There's a free version of TUBEBUDDY so everybody can get it. Okay, have you heard about this website called answerthepublic.com? It's really cool. All you do is type in your topic and it'll give you a list of all kinds of questions that you could make videos on. I definitely recommend you check it out. Next up, what's in the news? This is sometimes called news hacking. Is there something that's happening in the news that you could tie into your niche? For example, in Kelly's case, in the mortgage industry, there are always stories in the news like the Fed lowers interest rates or the Fed raises interest rates. When there is a news story like this, getting a video out right away to your audience with your thoughts on this subject that's happening in the news can make a great video. A word of caution, however, doing videos on controversial subjects that are in the news may get you a lot of views, but it could also be a turnoff to your audience. So on this one, I say proceed with caution. Last but not least, what's trending? If you go to youtube.com/trending, you'll get a list of all the videos that are currently trending. Is there a topic in there that you could make a video about? So that wraps up 8 different ways that you can find content. If you've got a great content tip that I forgot to include on this list, please share it below. And if you got value out of today's video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Your success is my success, and I want you to have amazing content and make incredible, informative videos that blow up on YouTube.